Hi, everyone, and welcome to episode 6 or 7. I actually lost track of my live trading series, but dealing with $25,000 only. If you want to just follow along the series, I'll leave a link. You should probably watch it from beginning to end just to see what I've been doing, the rules, and where I'm at so far. I started with 25,000 USD. I'm at around 35,000 right now, so a little under 50%. But if you're looking at my computer, it says 43,000, but that's in CAD. And I think I started with 34,000 CAD going up to 43. So not bad. Not bad. I think it's, oh yeah, so that would be like 33%. Looking at the market right now, everything is tanking. I'm not quite sure what's happening. Just maybe profit taking, SPY is down $10 or 1.8%. I'm going to close everything at almost 100% profit. I'm just showing you like the heat map of the S&P 500 right now. We had a put credit spread on SPY, on AMD and Tesla. I was selling just cash secured puts. I'm going to go a little safer now. I'm going to close all of these. If you take a look, this is like one of the first times I think I filmed almost 100% profit. This was more profitable this morning. They all expire today. I haven't been able to do another video because I wasn't sure what the market was doing and I wasn't able to film it. I'm trying to film everything for you. Normally I should close these earlier, but what I'm aiming for is at least 1.5%, maybe 2% per month, but I've been getting a lot more than that. Right now, if we look at the last 30 days, all of this adds up to 1392 US or 1879 Canadian, and I'm going to close all of these now. I might fast forward through this because it doesn't let me close everything all at once. There's a button here that says close all positions. It doesn't work for me for some reason, so I'm just going to work on closing these. What I like about Interactive Brokers is that it has a close button. I'll just go a penny and I'll buy to close. Accept. Great. And then here, whoops, what did I do? Portfolio. Done. Order has been filled. Nice. Go here. I'll go close. Just do for a penny. Let's get rid of it. Because I sold them, I sold them to open. Now I have to buy to close. That one didn't fail. Oh no, it was a penny. That didn't work. Should be 14 cents. Submitted. Let me modify. 14, submit. This should fill right. Order has been filled. There we go. Cool. Now it disappears. Now, if I can close these together, would that work? Close. It wants a penny. Do you think this will work? Let me try 2. Order ticket, simulated, preview. Riskless, whoa, that's weird. Yeah, I don't know. I don't fully know what this is asking me to do. If I close. Right now, I sold to open. Let me buy to close. Quantity 1. Riskless orders are not allowed. 2. Submit buy order. Buy to close. Your order is pending. Let's see. I wish this was more straightforward. My one criticism of Interactive Brokers. Not as clear. Wonder what it's doing. Right now, this is tying up $5,000 in buying power. Because it's $5 spread times 10, $5,000. I kind of want that back. Yeah, I don't really know what's happening here. I'll try to close it offline. So now what we're going to do, probably aim for maybe the same stocks with the VIX up 18% at 23. I should be able to make more money while going safer. My one issue is I don't know what to do on the S&P 500. Do I continue selling puts, maybe at a further amount, just try to be a little safer. But let's see what the 15 delta or maybe even the 20 delta can give us. I am going to try AMD again. AMD options chain. Let's go around 45 days out. Let's go October 18th. And then look for 20 delta. We have 115. What would that give us? So 115 at risk. So this is 11,500. And if we could get 260 for it, let's see what that gives us. 261 divided by 11,500 is, that's not good. 2% divided by 45 divided by 40 2 times 30, it's fine. To 1.5% per month. Just to be safe, we're using 11,500 in buying power. Let's do this one. $18. Could we go, should we do 120? Does that seem too close? That does seem, yeah, $25 does seem too close. Let's go 115. We could own it, and then we could run the wheel and sell shares on it. So let's do that. The midpoint, let's order. Go 262 if we can. Submitted. So this is using 11,500 in buying power. Should I sell another cash secured put on Tesla? If it keeps dropping, this could be a little risky. Let's try the S&P 500. I just want to see. Options chain. Why won't this go away? How do I make this disappear? There we go. I have two options here. Do I think it's going to continue to go down? Over the long term, no. Over the short term, how do we play it? If we sell puts, we'd be bullish on it. I probably could sell at the 520 range. Let's look at the 1 hour. Let's see what 1 day it looks like. Where's the 1 day? Please ignore these. Notice how sometimes it perfectly follows a pattern until it doesn't. When it breaks, it continues to go up. I should probably try another one here. Let's see. The 520 range. We could probably... 510? Would that be smarter? Let's see what 510, 505 give us. Probably won't give us any money being this far out. But look at that red candle. So let's see. 42 days. Let's do around the same one. Let us see what 510, 505 give us. 65 cents. So we'd be doing 509 minus 440 divided by 500. That is not good at all. What would we be looking for here? 69 cents. No, that's 13%. Sorry. So this is $505 minus 440, $65 for every 500. So that's 13% in just 45 days. This is the 20 delta. This is what we're going to do. 510 will sell. Do we even go 510, 500? Let's go 510, 505. Order. We're going to do 10 to use up $5,000 in buying power. $5 strike difference times 10. Ooh, let's go market just to get it filled. $690, I believe. Why does it take so long, even though it's a market order? So right now we've used 11,500 plus 5,000 in buying power. So let's say half of what we have available, 84% chance of profit. With everything going, I want to take advantage of high volatility right now. With everything going down, is it risky to try to catch a falling knife? Do we even go Nvidia? Nancy Pelosi, I'm going to bet on Nancy Pelosi not letting Nvidia go to zero. But then we're selling to AMD and Nvidia. They kind of go up and down the same. I don't want to be too deep into semiconductors, so maybe I'll go Tesla. Going forward next, I might do Apple covered calls, but I think it's using too much money. Let's try to get our account up to 50,000, then we might do Apple covered calls. Tesla, let's try to do the same. Let's look at what the 185 will show us. And again, I won't be deploying all my buying power here. In case the market continues to drop, I want to be able to manage or be able to sell a little bit more. Maybe I'll film another video. So let's look at what 20 delta is. 185, that's kind of what I was thinking. So this is 585 if we sell it here. And then we're using 18,500 in buying power, which is a lot, to get 3% over 42 days, 2.25 for a month. what would we be doing? 16,500 plus 18,500. We'd be pretty much using up all our buying power. Am I going to be a hypocrite? This is all our buying power. Am I going to be a hypocrite and try to aim for over 1,000, around 1,500 this time? Let's do it. Let's do it. Order. Let's go market just to get it filled. So we're aiming for orders pending. Wondering why it takes so long. I'm doing market because I want to get it filled. My bull spread. There we go. Perfect. Oh no, this didn't close. So my bull spread hasn't filled. $260 here, 600 plus another 690. What are we looking at? 260 plus 600 plus 690 for the own 1,500. If we aim for 75% profit, I should be able to make $1,000 on this. Let's say 1,100 divided by 33,500, which is what I think my US dollar is. So to get 3% for this month. So if we do 1162 times 1.35, 1568 when I have 3.5%. That should be a lot. If I'm able to do this for 12 months, let's see what happens at the end of the year. Oh man, I'm slouching. I'm not even in the shot. So I'm going to work on getting the other order filled. I want this closed. No, this opened. Bot sold, bot sold. That's so weird. I just don't know why it doesn't fill right away. So it looks good on the video. This should have been closed by now. Anyway, I'm going to leave it here, making $1,000 a month starting with $25,000 US. Not bad. It was a rough start. If you watch the first two videos, I was actually losing money. I was doing call spreads on the S&P 500 and it kept going up. So I learned my lesson. Now I'm going the other way. I was bearish on the S&P 500 and it kept going up, but I've adjusted my ways, made back the money, and now I'm over 30%, 35% return on investment. It's not bad, but I think the S&P 500 is more. If we do SPY, SPY stock, year to date, 14%, doing better than the S&P 500. Let me know if you have any questions. I have a Discord if you want to join. It's not fairly active right now because I stopped posting too much, but we have 95 members. If you're interested, let me know. Send me an email with your username and I'll add you. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Tune into the next one.